What's up, YouTube? This is Antoine with Chum Change Production. Coming to you, talked about one of the tokens from the Sheeb arsenal or portfolio, the Doge Killer or Leash. This is an excellent token to buy right now because the price point is a lot cheaper than when it was when it initially dropped, when it went up last April or May to its all-time high of almost $8,800 per coin. Now, the thing that's interesting about this token is that the max supply is 107,647. Okay. Now, let me see if I can push this over here to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, yeah, see, max supply, total supply, 107,647. So, um, let me get a little bit of data on these guys for you guys here. But this is how I found out their all-time high. Okay, May 11, 2021, last year, $8,983.59, and it's 95.51% below its all-time high. So when you see numbers like that from the data, when you're researching these tokens and stuff, you know it could potentially go lower because it was just when I got into this, I got into it at um 350 or 360, and it went all the way up to $450. Yeah, $453.42 today or yesterday. I can't remember. I think it was yesterday or today, one of the two. I don't remember. But the amount of money I put into it went up so much. I was just. It's funny, how the sovereign and Almighty Lord Yahweh works, because I haven't been really investing in crypto too much heavy. As you know, I've been making a lot of videos on the Lenda app, and that's where I've been parking some of my money at. I'm planning on putting some more money into it next week when I get some more funds available and buy some more shares of some rental properties. But anyway, I got into this position and like the next day, couple days later, it just started going up. And I did that with Ethereum too. I parked some cash in Ethereum and sold a little too early. I could have made quite a bit of money off of it if I would have just sat on it for one more day. But because I knew it was gonna dip down, that's why I got out of it, and I was planning on buying more, which I did. But I could have made a lot more money if I would have just held on to it for one more day. But yeah, um, this token, like I said, is from the Doge. I mean not Doge, but Shiba Inu ecosystem. So I will keep this on you guys' radar, and remember, excuse me, if you want to, you can go get the Coin Market Cap calculator, and you can play around with different figures. You can type in at max supply, which is 107,647, 107,647 shares of this token, and you'll be surprised at how much money you can make per share off of this going up a little bit. Like, look at this. Like right now, in the fully diluted market, it's 43 million. The market cap is 43 million. It's identical because of the max supply. That is the total supply is the max supply, I believe. I believe it's only 107,000. But anyway, the total supply what we have listed here is 107,647. The point is that for this to get this type of token this is the type of token that can get really high in value as Bitcoin appreciates in value in the bull run in 2025. But in a year and a half, Bitcoin is going to start really recovering and making a little turnaround and actually making a positive upturn in preparation for the 2025 bull run. So I mean, it's just a bear market. It's just how it is, and in the market, it's volatile. I mean, this is what the volatility means. You're seeing it unfold right before your eyes. You know what I'm saying? Don't get scared. Just amass more, keep accumulating. Just these are the times to accumulate. That's why I wanted to talk about this token because this is at a great price point. When you look at where it was just at in May of 2011, 20 May 11 of 2021. Like I said, it was $8,900, and I showed it to you. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta look at that and be like, I'm gonna be honest. What is it? I can't remember, but anyway, just go and look up coin market cap calculator and type in the different figures. Uh, I've been smoking, so I've forgotten about some the coin market cap calculator figures and stuff that I had in my head from research, and I just completely lost my mind. And then completely forgot that, lost it out of my mind. I guess I could go and hold on. Yeah, okay. This was not the This is the one I've been using, but okay. Look at this. All right, check this out. 75,000. All right, look at that. That's an $8 billion market cap. So you got to look at that. She got over 15 billion to get to point four zeros 88. You know what I'm saying? So if you had a billion shares of Shiba, you would have made over 88,000. So if you got one share of of um of Doge Killer, and it gets to 75,000 per coin at an $8 billion market cap, your $400 investment would have turned into over $74,000 in 2.5 years. And I'm telling you this because I don't want you to do like what me and my brother did. My brother and I was talking earlier about a big mistake we made in crypto. You know, we was up quite a bit of money, right? And we don't like. I'll give you an example. We invested $300 in 2017, and by the bull run of 2027, when Bitcoin went to 20,000, our $300 investment went over $5,500. Okay, now we had enough money at the time. We didn't know much about stable coins, and stable coins were not really widely understood, I say. So what we should have did is park the 5,500 into USDT at the time, and on Coinbase, and waited for Bitcoin to come down at $3,000 like it did in December of 2018, and we could have went and bought. You know what I'm saying? Because Bitcoin was 3,000, Ethereum was $99, so we could have bought one full Bitcoin, right, at 3,000, and we could have bought almost 30 Ethereum, okay, or a little over 30 Ethereum, and we could have gave each other half a Bitcoin and over 15 Ethereum apiece to each other. So anyway, we calculated how much money we would have made. So remember, Bitcoin went to 69,000 last year, last bull run, a little over 69,000, and Ethereum went to 5,000 per coin. So when you do, um, let's look at this. Okay, Bitcoin, I'll just say 69,000. Bitcoin went to 69,000. Bitcoin went to 69,000 divided by 2. Okay, so I would have made $34,500 off my half of Bitcoin. Okay, so now that's what my $300 in that would have appreciated to over $5,500 in 5 months in 2017 if I would have put that over 5,500 in the USDT and waited for Bitcoin to come down to 3,000 per coin. I could have bought half of Bitcoin for me and my brother and bought it because Ethereum got down to $99 per coin. So I could have bought over 15, 20 Ethereum a piece between me and my brother. So that's what this figure is about. What I'm looking at. This would have been my cut of that, my brother's cut. Now let's do this 34,500. Now do 20 times 5, 5,000. Okay, 100,000. So I would have made 50,000, and my brother would have made 50,000 plus. Look at this. Hold on, divided by 2 plus 34. 5. That's how much money my $300, me and my $150 investment would have appreciated to from 2017, okay, up until this current time because I would have put it in BT. I mean, put it in. I would have put this my return that I made in the bull run of last year into USDC and staked it. Because remember, I was staking on Midas platform, which they had like 21% APY at the time when I was staking it. So anyway, I would have made quite a bit of money in interest on this 84,500 just sitting here waiting for Bitcoin to drop back down low. So right now, like a couple months ago, Bitcoin was like below 19,000. So I could have got 2 Bitcoins for 37,000. So let's do that. Minus 37,000. Okay. And then I could have picked up when Ethereum went to 1,000. Okay. I could have picked up 20 more Ethereum for 21,000. Okay. Now look at this. I would have 26,500 left over in cash. That's what I would have paid myself. Okay. The rest of the bread I will leave in the 2 BTC, and no matter how low Bitcoin goes down or how high it goes during this current volatility for the next 3 years, 2.5, 3 years, I wouldn't touch it until the bull run. That's when I would run it. So with those, I would now have two full Bitcoins and 20 Ethereum off of a investment, a $300 investment from 2017. So that's what I'm saying and been talking about. Wait till this market really bleeds before you strike. Because you can make moves, positive moves today. You know, our Father can lead you in some serious opportunities today that will be so powerful later on in your life that you will do nothing. It will compel you to praise and brag about our Father, our Holy Father, all the time to everybody you know about that you know, because you would and you would marvel at the miracle he wrought in your life, and that's what I'm telling you. That's what you can do with these investments. You just got to get into it while the price is low. So that's all I got for you guys. I'm sorry for making it so long, but I wanted to get this point across in this video. That's why I went through it and just went ahead and did it. What I hadn't intended to do, what I was thinking about talking about before I aired this video. So I actually thought about this one. This one is not entirely a freestyle. It's not scripted, but I actually put some time in to think about what I wanted to bring to you guys today. So you have a good one. Peace.